Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have a special unboxing to show you guys. This is the Supreme Honor Melodica. This come with the 32 keys mouthpiece and extension. It includes a case with the woven logo patch. It is 16.5 inch. This was dropped back in November 1st, 2018, week number 4 for $68 plus tax plus $10 shipping. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I might have to wear a glove just in case I don't want it dirty since the box is dirty. And then the keyboard is white color. I was kind of surprised I copped this. Normally it would be so quick. Wow, nice. I can see 2 at the box. Is it 2 or 1? Oh, what? Let me check it out. Oh, look at the box. I got a Supreme on there. Nice. So I got this big, nice shopping bag. So it's pretty big. Let's go ahead and get this out. Yep. So I got the 2 at the red box logo sticker right here. Nice. So let me show you guys a 360 view at the box real quick. Oh. Got their logo right there. Enjoy music. So I guess you blow. There's like a tube you blow in there with your mouthpiece, and then you play the keys. And then you got the Supreme at the box logo right there. Include 32 keys, Melodica, carrying bag, and mouthpiece. Got the Supreme. And then I gotta flip it to see the Honor. That's kind of damaged. I don't know how it got crushed like that because it's inside the box and the box did not get crushed. So I got this nice big Supreme. Wow. That's nice. Let's go ahead and take this. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the barcode that comes with this. This product may expose you to chemicals. Includes the ethyl, the heck chemistry. They have all this kind of weird name. So, which is known to the state of California to cause birth defect or other reproductive harm. For more information, go to so it's a Pop 65 warnings. They have that on the Starbucks nowadays. So it seems that this is made in Germany. PlayHOHNER.com. Made in China? What the? What? All right. Anyway, let's go and then get this. What the flap is kind of messed up right there, but let's go ahead and check it out. Come with this nice black case. And then this is a adjustable buckle right here. Well, I'm not gonna adjust it, okay? And then there's a carrying handle right here. There's your brand logo right there. Let's go and then unzip this. So there's no Supreme or Honor right here. Oh, got the box logo right there, Supreme. Nice. Too bad they didn't wrap it in like a plastic bag. Wow, look at that. So this is the tubing. That's the mouthpiece. Oh, nice. Check it out real quick. Gives us so it has their brand logo and on there. And this is where you blow into the air to the keyboard so I can make the sound. So this hopefully this tubing is gonna last pretty long. So as you can see, it's pretty flexible. Guess this is the pull tab. Then there's another piece, different mouthpiece. Got this fabric on there, so you can attach the tubing or just the mouthpiece by itself. And then this mouthpiece does not have any brand logo on there. It's a shiny piece. Go ahead and check it out. Take this nice. Ooh, this is nice. Too bad this is not black right here. There's your Supreme box logo right there. Nice. Check out the back. The back has like a handle. And their brand right here. It says made in China right there. Got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the Phillips screw. I'm not sure what this button's for. Maybe to release air. Or maybe make the piano sounds better. there's your plastic strap for you to carry around instead of touching the key, and sometimes you might mess it up or break the key. So I'll try this in there real quick. So all you do is just put it in there like that. And then you can rotate whichever direction. So I'm actually this one for you to hold, so you can play like this. Yeah. So yeah, you can rotate any direction that you are comfortable with. Or maybe you could put this on the table and then attach this one to blow it and then make the sound. So yeah, this one is a very nice collectible items. So I guess the sound come through from there. Bunch of holes right there. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. See if you guys cover this unit doing the job. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.